Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Updates. We're having a very green week in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are having a very great time. We're seeing huge pumps over the last 1 month. Extreme greed will soon return to cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment in the market tells us there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. How high do we expect to see crypto go in the coming days and coming weeks? Bitcoin has got into new yearly highs. We have seen Bitcoin blast above that $6,000. Bitcoin got to as high as that $6,800. The total crypto market cap has got into new highs also. We've got into new yearly highs of $1.35 trillion. We'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world, sentiments in the cryptocurrency market, Altcoins season index. Are we going to see Altseason anytime soon? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. But when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
The last 1 month has seen good times return back to the altcoin market. The last 1 month has seen all coins having a great time. Even though Bitcoin is up 33.2% over the last 1 month, the altcoin market has seen a lot of altcoins having great times. Mina is up 110%, Pepe is up 102%, Cake is up 92%, Solana 99%, Link 102%, Run 113%, and the list goes on. So we're seeing triple-digit gains across the board over the last 1 month, double-digit gains over the last 1 week, guys. Altseason is around the corner. Let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has gone up by 4% over the last 7 days. Bitcoin is trading above that $6,000, the highest we have seen it trade in 2023. Are we going to get that spot ETF approved? Ethereum currently trades around $1,900. Ethereum has gone up by 4.98% for the last 7 days. Ethereum is quietly outperforming Bitcoin. I expect to see that improve over the next few days. I expect to see Ethereum continue outperforming Bitcoin. I believe we're getting to the end of the Bitcoin pump. BNB is sitting at number 4. BNB is up 9% over the last 7 days. XRP is up 15%. Solana is up 3%. We have Cardano ADA with a huge 20% pump over the last 7 days. Dogecoin, the king of meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, has gone up 11%. And we have Toncoin pumping by more than 23%. So a lot of coins in the top 10 are starting to outperform Bitcoin. We'll be watching out for that trend in the coming days and the coming weeks. That might just mean we're getting the end of this Bitcoin rally. That might mean we're getting to the start of altcoin season. Now let's take a look at what altcoins have been doing over the last 7 days. The last 7 days have seen huge pumps, and I've seen some few dumps. Block has gone up by 64%. PancakeSwap has gone up by 60% in the last 7 days. We have Trust Wallet up 40%. New is up 36%. Multiverse X is up 35%. And if we go in the loser section, few losers, we just have Render Token 0.6%, Tron 0.3%, Pax Gold 1.48%, and Theta Gold 2%. Most of all coins in the top 100 are in the gainer section. So good times are in the cryptocurrency market right now. Bitcoin sits above that $6,000. How high can we go in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. There's a lot of bullish stories going around. Every story right now is termed the bullish news. Every story right now can easily change the market. People are just waiting for something that will push us to higher prices. HSBC taps Ripple Mastercode to launch security token custody. Swiss bank SEBA gets Hong Kong SFC license, and Robinhood's eyes European expansion amidst Q2 revenue drop. And we hear Premier Crypto Corp CTFT reveals record-setting digital asset enforcement in 2023. EU banking watchdog proposes liquidity rules for stablecoin issuers. How centralized platform democratizes crypto funds initiative. Guys, are we going to see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to see altcoins joining Bitcoin? We're seeing a lot of news come out in the altcoin market. Polygon Labs and Near announced ZK approval for WSAC integration. New BTC price levels to watch out for to avoid 36K. We believe Bitcoin will continue pumping above higher prices. This news report came out when Bitcoin has not cracked that $6,000 level, but Bitcoin has gotten to new yearly highs. And HKEX listed tech firm launches $15 million Bitcoin fund. Very, very bullish news. We expect to see more companies taking that approach. And Visa launches global AI advisory practice focused on generative systems. Stablecoins are not safe store of value. That's what BIS is saying. NFT sales jumped to $129 million. Lido DAO launches official version of WST on Base. Let's go back to the charts, guys. Bitcoin has rallied above $36,000. So where's the next step for Bitcoin? Our target is still around that $42,000 level using our Fibonacci retracement tool. From the top that happened for Bitcoin in November of 2021, Bitcoin has been in this brutal bear market. Coincidentally, 2023 has been a very great year for Bitcoin, even though majority of market participants have been bearish. Right now, Bitcoin is getting ready for that big pump towards $42,000 level. I'll not be shocked to see us rally towards $42,000 level before the end of November. Guys, that rally can happen very quickly. But remember, there'll be a lot of dumps along the way. We're not just going to pump to the moon in one day. There's going to be a lot of corrections. Take a look at what Ethereum is doing right now. One signal that is telling us maybe, just maybe, this rally will soon be coming to an end is that we're seeing Ethereum start to show signs of outperforming Bitcoin. So even though Ethereum has not gotten to new yearly highs, even though ETH has not rallied above the $2,000 level, guys, very careful. As we are going to higher prices, you want to be selling for some profit. If you have been on this channel for quite a while, we have been buying down in gobbling time. Our model portfolio, we got our Ethereum around $1,100. We got our Bitcoin around $17,000. We bought when we're down in gobbling town, and as we're pumping to higher prices, we'll be selling some for some sweet profit. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance will tell us whether this capital has started flowing into the altcoin market, guys. If you're cheering for Bitcoin dominance continue going up and you're holding on altcoins, you're just cheering for your altcoins to underperform against Bitcoin. But history has shown us that over time, when altcoin market will get going, it's when Bitcoin dominance will be falling into lower values. So if you see Bitcoin dominance end this rally without setting a new high, things might get ugly for Bitcoin dominance. You might see Bitcoin dominance crash to as low as 42%, maybe lower than that. And that capital will quietly flow into the altcoin market. We see altcoins having a very great time. If you take a look at what others are doing right now in the cryptocurrency markets, they are pumped to new yearly highs before they were stuck. They were stuck in 2023 below $130 billion. Now, other cryptocurrencies in the market, apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum, has rallied up to $156 billion. If you take a look at what the total crypto market cap, excluding just Bitcoin and Ethereum, is doing, we're also having a very crazy pump to the moon. I'll not be shocked to see more altcoins going crazy in the coming days and coming weeks, guys. Bitcoin has been rallying. Bitcoin has had a very great year. Bitcoin in November of 2022 was trading for as low as $15,000. Right now, it's trading for as high as $36,000. So a lot of altcoins start catching up. I've seen Pepe also start catching up. Pepe is up 13% over the last 24 hours. Remember, guys, when meme coins start pumping, we're getting to the end of the rally. Chainlink jumps 26% in 6 days. More altcoins are also jumping with Chainlink. Binance used torture interpretation of law in bid to toss suits. That's what the SEC is saying. SEC first window to approve all 12 spot ETFs begins today. Let's take a look at that news story that Bitcoin spot ETF has been dangling around our face in the cryptocurrency market. When are we going to finally get it? Germany travel rules measure reflect worrying creep of over-regulation. And Marathon Digital sees 670% revenue gain in Q3 as Bitcoin production surges. Rep Tom Emma proposes to defund SEC crusade against crypto. Let's take a look at that SEC news. The SEC first window to approve all sports Bitcoin ETF to begin today. The 8-day window begins from November 9th to November 17th, where all 12 spot Bitcoin ETF could be approved by the SEC, according to Bloomberg ETF analyst James. Are we going to see it approved before the 17th? The 8th to 17th is going to be a very crazy day. Bitcoin's already pumping on that positive news. So mark your calendars. On the 17th, we're going to see what Bitcoin will be doing. If you take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market, guys, the last 24 hours has seen over 53,000 traders liquidated. Total liquidation comes in around $155 million. Largest liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $7.95 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated before the big move happens. Bitcoin accounted for over $71 million. Of those liquidations, we saw Ethereum accounting for around $17 million worth of those liquidations. The Altcoins season index tells us right now we're not still there yet. Right now, we're not still in an alt season. But I've left the Bitcoin season, so we're heading towards an alt season. And if you take a look at performances of the top 50 coins over the last 90 days, we're starting to see some of them outperform Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is up 27% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are having a great time. Solana is up 85%, Link is up 100%, Run is up 214%. As more altcoins are pumping to higher prices, I'm sure we'll see them outperforming Bitcoin, which will lead us eventually to an alt season. On a monthly time frame, we're closer to an altcoin month. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin rally up by 32%, but a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market has also seen higher pumps than that. We've seen a lot of altcoins having triple-digit pumps over the last 1 month, so I'll not be shocked to see us having alt season before the end of the year. It's important to notice that we've been having alt season every year. We're yet to have one in 2023. We had one in 2021. We had one in 2022, 2020, 2023. Are we going to skip, or are we going to still see alt season? Take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. There's greed. We're just waiting for extreme greed. This is the highest bullishness we've seen in the market since Bitcoin set all-time highs in November of 2021. Can Bitcoin get to as high as $40,000? Guys, drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Are we going to see Bitcoin continue this rally, pumping above $40,000? Are we going to see Ethereum pumping above $2,500, maybe getting to as high as $3,000? Do you see the total crypto market cap blasting above that $1.3 trillion level where we're currently chilling? Do you see the crypto market cap getting to new yearly highs before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest, so invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Seven, 1, 2, 3.